In this section, we're going to cover the M18 Fuel Switch Pack Sectional Drum System. For small to medium drainline jobs, 70% of your job can be taken up by just your preparation and cleanup in and of itself, regardless of whether you're a sectional user or a drum user. The M18 Fuel Switch Pack Sectional Drum Machine is the first solution that combines the benefits of both machines into one. This machine has the capability to do 100 foot of cable, but we broke it out into two 50-foot sections, because a lot of times your job's going to be at that first 50 feet, and this means that you're not burdened with carrying 100 foot of cable if you really only need that 50 feet. With this solution, we also have 4 different drum types, so you can really choose the cable that you need for the job that you're going to encounter. We offer 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch inner core, and a 5/8 open wind cable that's really designed for your small diameter pipes and soft blockages. The best thing about this solution is the transportation. We can allow you to carry the drum separate from the machine, allowing you to get the easiest transportation no matter where you're going. If it's up and down stairs, in and out of a house, or even jumping over baby gates, we can provide you that easiest transportation. Now let me show you how it works. So we've just extended the first 50 feet down on the line and realized we need to go a little bit further. What I'm going to show you how to do is how to connect the 2 drums together so you can get that additional 50 feet of length, giving yourself that 100 foot capacity. So the first thing you're going to do is just swap out the drums, and it's super easy because it's tool free. All you got to do is release the latches on either side. Now once that's connected, you're going to use your pin key to release the cable from the anchor of the first drum. And then connect that cable to the leading cable of the second. Now once that's connected, you're ready to continue feeding. Now we know it's super critical to give you guys maximum power and maximum control out of these units. That's why we have 2 times more power than the competitive corded units, meaning you can get through those tough clogs with this machine. And then we can provide 5 times faster braking, which gives you more control. And you'll hear that when I press on the foot pedal and release, you'll hear the machine breaking the cable and stopping that spinning from happening. It's clamping down on there to give you, again, that 5 times faster braking and ultimate control over the machine. The last thing is mess containment. As you're bringing that cable back from the line, you're bringing back the water, the dookie, whatever else is in that pipe back with you into the drum. And this solution is the first one to give you complete mess containment with a fully enclosed drum. So that means all that mess you're bringing back with you is going to get contained inside the unit, making it that much easier for you to get off this job and onto the next one.